It's time again to dig through the Southern Gardening Mailbag. Let's answer some questions and get ready for the spring and summer seasons.
Hey Doc, I want to attract butterflies to my garden this year, and I'm confused. What's the difference between butterfly bush and butterfly weed?
These are two staples for any butterfly garden. Here's the differences. Butterfly bush is known botanically as Buddleja. The sweetly fragrant panicles are composed of tiny flowers in various shades of white, blue, purple, pink, red, and even yellow. Butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds love these flowers. Butterfly weed is known botanically as Asclepias. Butterfly weed grows up to 36 inches tall and 24 inches wide. This plant produces clusters of tubular flowers in various shades of orange, yellow, or red. The long, oblong leaves are the primary forage for the monarch butterfly caterpillars. I hope this helps.
Gary, there's this gray-green moldy-looking stuff on some of my trees. Is this going to kill them?
The gray-green moldy-looking material is actually an organism called lichen. Lichen is an unlikely combination of a fungus and an algae living in a symbiotic relationship on the plant's bark. The algae supply the food via photosynthesis, and the fungus gathers the water and other needed nutrients. Lichen is not a parasite. Trees and shrubs are only used by the lichen for support. Keep sending me those questions to southerngardening@mstate.edu, and I'll keep answering as fast as I can. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.